Hello students. Today we are solving a problem from the Junior International Logic Olympiad, that is the JILO, a competition where your brain is expected to run faster than Wi-Fi and with fewer bugs than your code. Okay, so JILO focuses on the logical reasoning, the pattern recognition and turning the simple stories into math. Okay, and that is the real superpower of this examination. So today's mission, we enter a supermarket battlefield where the three girls are fighting the ultimate enemy. Okay, so read the question first. Clara, Nita and Syra are at the supermarket and they each picked up their groceries and they decided to each join a different checkout lane in order to save time. As Clara got into her line, she noticed that she had three more people ahead of her than Nita did. Okay, and Syra noticed that she had twice as many people ahead of her as in the front of Nita. And the total number of the people ahead of all three together is 11. Now, how many people are in front of each girl? Okay, so we will solve this problem in this session. Okay, so Clara, Nita and Syra go to a supermarket. It joins a different line. Now the drama begins. Clara says, I have three more people ahead of me than Nita. Syra says, I have twice as many people ahead of me as Nita. And the total people ahead of all of three is 11. And the question is, how many people are in front of each girl, right? Okay, so students, rule number 1 in life. If life gives you words, convert it into the variables. So let's assume Nita has X people ahead. Okay, now Clara has X plus 3, right? And Syra has 2x, right? So see, problem already scared you over here. So now, when multiple people are compared to one person, always assign the variable to that one person. Why? Because everyone else depends on them. Here everyone depends on Nita. So Nita is the main character here. Clara and Syra are supporting roles. Okay. Now the total people ahead is 11. So we add Nita plus Clara plus Syra. 11. So that is x plus 3 plus 2x. That is 11. Now combine the terms. So x plus 2x plus 3. That is 11. So 4x plus 3 is 11. So first remove the extra constant. So 4x will be what? 11 minus 3, that is 8. So x will be 8 by 4, that is 2. Okay. Now we go back to our girls. Nita, x equal to 2. Clara, x plus 3, that is 5. And Syra, 2x, that is 4. Okay, so the final answer will be Clara 5, Syra 4 and Nita 2. Okay, now let's check, because we are responsible citizen, right? So 2 plus 5 plus 4, that is 11. So everything matches. Now if your answer does not match, don't argue with the question. Fix your mistake very quickly. Okay, so this is actually a linear equation problem in disguise. The real reason is word problems is the equation wearing costumes, you can say. So whenever you see the more than, add, twice, multiply, total, the sum. Okay, so this type of question belongs to the algebraic modeling. Okay, so steps will be what? First, assume the variable. Then second, translate the sentences. Then third, from the equation. And four, solve. And fifth step is verify that. Okay, so this is the same method used in the physics problem, economics, coding logic. So yes, this tiny puzzle is secretly training you for the big things. Okay, now think of it like a food queue. Okay, Neeta is patient, so only two people ahead. Clara is unlucky, five people ahead. And Sarah is dramatic, exactly double Neeta. Okay, so moral of the story is what? Choose your checkout line wisely or learn algebra. Okay, so the number of people ahead of each girl: Neeta 2, Clara 5, Sarah 4. Okay, so today you did not just solve a puzzle, you just build the equation and solved logically. Okay, and that's exactly what JILO test. Okay, so next time you stand in the queue, your brain will automatically start solving the equations. So see you in the next session with a new question of the Junior International Logic Olympiad. So till then, bye bye and take care.